Okay, so we've been getting this question a good bit, but it's can you use MAXLONE on your wheels, your calipers, and your tires? And the answer is yes. You actually can use them on all three because MAXLONE is heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's safe to coat all of this. It will not come off easily. All you're gonna do is grab your microfiber towel and then I'm lightly covering the rest of the wheel. That was 3 sprays because wheels are more dirty than the rest of the car. I mean, it just gets road debris on it, it gets water spots, iron deposits, brake dust, a lot of brake dust. They get scratched up, so it needs to be protected. And I mean, you can already see how easy that is to get off. I probably missed with my first pass, you know? So that's looking good. If you're looking to actually just coat the wheels, I would definitely recommend Max Easy because you can just spray it all on here and rinse it off. But the car has to be clean in order to do that, so you technically can go through it first time with MAXLONE if the wheels aren't too dirty.
I've used this product, I've cleaned my truck probably 7 times with it. I have a big truck. The cool thing about this product, you only need 1 towel. Normally when I used to apply ceramics, I would need to use multiple towels, 1 to apply it, 1 to wipe it off. But the other cool thing about this product is it's MAXLONE, so obviously 1 bottle for everything. You can use it on your windows, you can use it on pretty much every surface on your car. You can also use it on the interior of your car. So you only need 1 product to clean your entire vehicle. A little goes a long way. As you see, I didn't use a lot of it, so you don't need to use a lot of it. And the more you do, the more it'll be on the towel. With each panel that you do on your vehicle, you want to use less and less of it.
Gives your wheels a very smooth feel to them while also making brake dust and road debris a lot harder to stick, so it's easier to clean it in the future. And they look